Imagine this. You're juggling emails, managing tasks, and trying to keep up with meetings, all while wishing there was an AI to take the load off. Well, your wish might already be granted. Introducing Goover AI, the tool that's not just smart, but aims to redefine how we collaborate. But what exactly Goover AI, and is it as game-changing as it sounds? Stick around, because we're diving deep into its workings, examples, and even some hidden challenges you need to know before jumping on board. First, let's break it down. According to Goover AI's official site, it's designed to simplify complex workflows by combining automation, real-time collaboration, and AI-powered task management. Think of it as your all-in-one digital assistant, but cooler. But wait, before you start imagining a robot taking your job, let's clarify. Goover isn't replacing you, it's empowering you. Unless, of course, your job is procrastination, then, well, good luck. So, how does Goover AI actually work? It uses machine learning algorithms to analyze workflows, prioritize tasks, and even predict what you'll need next. But don't worry, it's not creepy, just clever. Let's talk examples. Imagine you're leading a team project. Goover AI automatically organizes your to-do list, sends follow-up reminders, and even suggests time slots for your next meeting. It's like having a proactive assistant who actually remembers deadlines. Shocking, right? But here's the kicker, it doesn't stop there. Goover is being adopted globally, from tech startups to education sectors. Why? Because it's proving to be a catalyst for productivity like we've never seen before. Just how far can this go? We'll get to that soon. First, let's hear what users have to say. Early adopters rave about its intuitive interface and ability to cut down decision fatigue. That dreaded feeling when you just can't figure out what to tackle next. Sounds dreamy, doesn't it? Conflict and resolution, challenges, precautions, and the future. Of course, no technology is perfect, and Goover AI isn't an exception. Some users have raised concerns about over-reliance on AI tools. What happens if the system misinterprets priorities or worse, crashes mid-project? Spoiler alert, it's not fun. And while Goover promises security, let's be honest, anything connected to the internet is one wrong click away from, oops, my data is everywhere. Think about that next time you're setting up your account. However, Goover AI isn't blind to these issues. Their team is actively working on updates, including enhanced security features and better predictive algorithms. So what does the future hold? In the next few years, Goover AI could go from being a cool tool to an essential part of daily life. But here's the question. Will it evolve into a true game changer, or just another shiny object in the crowded AI marketplace? Only time will tell. Here's a fun thought. What if Goover starts scheduling our vacations too? Then we'll know it's truly on our side. Want to explore Goover AI yourself? Check out their official site here. And while you're at it, let us know in the comments. Would you trust an AI to manage your work? Hit that like button, subscribe to AI FunTech, and stay tuned for more tech deep dives. See you next time.